Hello and welcome back to Tashi's Travels. Today we are going to take you all to 3 places that the whole family will enjoy. The first, Mungalli Farmhouse Cafe. The second is Mungalli Falls. And last of all for the day, off to Gallo's. Just on the other side of the tree where we sat outside, there were all these beautiful cows at the fence. First of all, we headed to Mungalli Farmhouse Cafe, where you can purchase a variety of local products. I got the ploughman's board with ham off the bone, fresh salad, baguette, cheeses and relish, followed with a thick and creamy iced coffee. And don't forget the raspberry and fennel ice cream. How creamy, delicious and fresh these products were. And number 2, we headed just down the road to the beautiful Mungalli Falls. How stunning. There is a walk all the way to the bottom of the falls. And last for the day, Gallo's, where they have a huge selection of cheeses. You can get a photo with the cow if you like. They also had a huge array of different chocolates. I got a little cow, cute. And they also have this petting zoo, which the kids will absolutely love, even the big kids too. Please feel free to like, subscribe and comment where you want us to go next. Until next time.